Welcome to our journey into the realm of AI-driven personal finance coaching. In today's video, we'll explore how you can harness the power of AI to enhance your coaching services. So, what are the benefits of integrating AI into your coaching practice? Let's delve into the remarkable advantages that technology brings. Identifying your target audience is crucial. Understanding their needs and financial goals allows you to tailor your coaching effectively. Engagement is key. In this section, we'll discuss ways to create dynamic AI-powered content that resonates with your clients. By leveraging analytics, you can create a personalized coaching experience. Let's explore how data can enhance your services. Building an effective online platform is essential. We'll cover the steps necessary to establish a seamless coaching experience online. Marketing your services effectively helps you reach more clients. Let's explore innovative strategies tailored for the digital age. Setting your pricing strategy can be challenging. In this segment, we'll guide you through determining competitive and fair rates. Navigating the legal landscape is vital for your success. We'll outline the key considerations to keep in mind when offering financial coaching online. Finally, we'll look at the future of AI in personal finance coaching and the trends that will shape your coaching practice in the years ahead.